As the deer longs for the water stream, so my being longs for you, O Elohim. My being thirsts for Elohim. For the living El, when shall I enter in to appear before Elohim? My tears have been my food day and night, while they say to me all day, where is your Elohim? This I remember, and pour out my being within me, for I used to pass along with the throng. I went with them to the house of Elohim, with the voice of joy and praise, a multitude celebrating a festival. Why are you depressed, oh my being, and you're restless within me? Wait for Elohim, for I shall yet thank him, the deliverance of his face. Oh my Elohim, my being is depressed within me. Therefore I remember you from the land of the Jordan, and from the heights of Hermon, from Mount Mitzar. By day, deep calls to deep at the sound of your waterfalls. All your waves and breakers passed over me. By day, Yahuah commands his kindness, and by night his song is within me. A prayer to the El of my heart, my say to El, my rock. Why have you forgotten me? Why do I go mourning because of the oppression of the enemy? My enemies have reproached me like a crushing of my bones, while they say to me all day long, where is your Elohim? Why are you depressed, oh my being? And why are you restless within me? Wait for Elohim, for I shall yet thank him, the deliverance of my face and my